The impulse trap, are you caught? It's a question many of us need to ask ourselves. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the habit of making quick, unplanned purchases. But have you ever stopped to think about the impact these impulse buys have on your financial health? Did you know that impulse buying can drain your bank account? Those seemingly harmless purchases can accumulate over time, leading to significant financial strain. It's not just about the money spent, it's about the opportunities lost. Every dollar spent impulsively is a dollar that could have been saved or invested. It's true, we've all been there, tempted by a shiny new item or a limited time offer. The thrill of a new purchase can be intoxicating, but it's often short-lived. The excitement fades and we're left with buyer's remorse. Retailers know this and use clever marketing tactics to lure us in, making it even harder to resist. But those small purchases can add up quickly, leaving you with regret and a lighter wallet. It's not just the big ticket items that hurt your finances, it's the accumulation of many small, seemingly insignificant purchases. Over time, these can lead to mounting debt and financial stress. It's time to break free from the impulse trap and take control of your finances. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that comes with financial stability. By being mindful of your spending habits, you can avoid the pitfalls of impulse buying and build a more secure financial future. Imagine a life where you feel confident about your spending and achieve your financial goals. Picture yourself reaching milestones like paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or investing in your future. These goals are within your reach if you take control of your spending. You have the power to make smarter choices. It starts with awareness and a commitment to change. By planning your purchases and sticking to a budget, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Use tools like financial planning apps to track your spending and stay on course. Let's explore how to curb those impulse buys and create a brighter financial future. Start by identifying your triggers and finding healthier ways to cope with them. Set clear financial goals and remind yourself of them regularly. With discipline and determination, you can break free from the impulse trap and enjoy a more prosperous life. Why we buy on a whim, unmasking the triggers. Have you ever wondered why you sometimes buy things you don't really need? It's a common experience and it often happens without us even realizing it. Impulse buying is often driven by emotions. These emotions can range from, happiness and excitement to stress and boredom. When we feel these emotions, we might turn to shopping as a way to cope or to enhance our mood. We might buy something because it makes us feel happy, excited, or even just less stressed in the moment. The thrill of getting something new can be a powerful motivator. For some, shopping provides a temporary escape from daily pressures. The act of purchasing can bring a sense of relief, even if it's fleeting. Advertising and marketing tactics are designed to trigger these emotions, making us feel like we need something when we really don't. These tactics are carefully crafted to appeal to our desires and emotions. From captivating storefront displays to targeted online ads, these strategies are everywhere. They create a sense of urgency and desire, making it hard to resist the temptation to buy. Recognizing these triggers is the first step to overcoming them. By understanding what drives our impulse purchases, we can start to take control of our buying habits. Are you more likely to impulse buy when you're feeling down, stressed, bored? Identifying these emotional states can help you become more mindful of your shopping habits. Once you understand your triggers, you can start to develop strategies for resisting them. This might include making a shopping list and sticking to it, setting a budget, or finding alternative ways to cope with your emotions. Engaging in hobbies, exercising, or spending time with friends can be great alternatives to shopping when you're feeling emotional. These activities can provide the same emotional boost without the financial cost. By being aware of your triggers and finding healthier ways to manage your emotions, you can reduce impulse buying and make more intentional purchasing decisions. This not only helps your wallet, but also contributes to a more mindful and fulfilling life. Outsmarting the urge, practical tips for control. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the moment and make purchases we later regret. But with a few mindful strategies, you can take control of your spending habits and make more thoughtful decisions. One simple but effective strategy is to create a shopping list and stick to it. This helps you stay focused on what you truly need and prevents you from wandering into unnecessary purchases. When you go to the store, only buy the items on your list. This not only saves you money, but also time, as you won't be distracted by items that aren't essential. Avoid browsing tempting aisles or websites where you're likely to make impulse purchases. It's easy to get lured by attractive displays or online deals, but remember, these are designed to make you spend more. If you see something you're tempted to buy, don't give in right away. Take a moment to pause and reflect. Instead, take a step back and ask yourself if you really need it. Can you afford it? Consider if this purchase aligns with your financial goals and priorities. Will it bring you lasting joy? Sometimes waiting a day or two before making a purchase can give you the clarity you need to make a better decision. By practicing these mindful shopping habits, you can take control of your spending and make choices that truly benefit you in the long run. The 24-hour rule, your secret weapon. If you're still thinking about the item after 24 hours, consider whether it's worth buying. Chances are the initial urge will have passed and you'll be able to make a more rational decision. Another helpful tip is to unsubscribe from tempting email lists and catalogs. These marketing materials are designed to entice you to spend money, so limiting your exposure can help reduce temptation. Finding freedom benefits of conquering impulse buys. Controlling your impulse buying offers numerous benefits. You'll save money, which you can then use to achieve your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing in your future. You'll also experience less stress and guilt associated with overspending. When you're in control of your finances, you feel more confident and empowered. Budgeting bliss, your path to financial peace. Creating a budget is crucial for managing your money effectively. A budget helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Start by listing all your sources of income and then track your expenses for a month. Categorize your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Celebrate small victories. Stay motivated on your journey. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way. Every time you resist an impulse purchase or stick to your budget, acknowledge and reward yourself. This positive reinforcement will help you stay motivated and on track towards your financial goals. Join the movement. Take control of your finances today. You have the power to break free from impulse buying and achieve financial freedom. Start by implementing the tips we've discussed today and watch your financial well-being soar. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Join me over at Online with Teresa, where you'll find a supportive community and resources to help you on your journey to financial wellness. Share your story. Inspire others with your success. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest challenges with impulse buying? What strategies have you found helpful in overcoming it? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to take control of their finances too.